Rule number 75. The supine is used in the ablative case with a few adjectives and nouns as an ablative of respect. In the last rule, number 74, we looked at the supine, a fourth declension verbal noun, in the accusative case after verbs of motion, which shows purpose. In this rule, we are going to shift the supine to the ablative case. Well, maybe the ablative. It's often thought of as an ablative, but we'll get into what case it is at the end of this video. For now, we're going to refer to this supine as the supine in u. That's a long U. This supine is found after certain adjectives, like in the phrase mirabile dictu, amazing to say. Our adjective is mirabile, and we translate our supine with to, followed by the meaning. See Rule 74 for the same translation with the supine ending in In fact, you see this sort of exclamation all over Latin literature. The neuter adjective followed by the supine in u, per facile factu, a thing very easy to do. But it's also found in phrases. Quaerunt quid optimum factu sit. They ask what is best to do. Our supine factu depends on the adjective optimum. The supine is also used after certain nouns, so si hoc fas est dictu, if this is right to say. The most common supines are these: auditu, cognitu, dictu, factu, inventu, and visu. And I've included the translation of the supine, a to followed by the word's meaning. These consist of words of sense or doing. And here's a list of adjectives that frequently can take a supine in u: facilis, difficilis, gravis, mirabilis, incredibilis, honestus, turpis, utilis, jucundus, and optimus. These tend to indicate an effect on the senses or doing, like showing ease or difficulty. And here are the nouns that take this supine: fas, nephos, and opus, when it's in the phrase opus est, meaning it is necessary. So with these lists, you can construct your own supine phrase. Facila erat cognitu, it was easy to learn. Turpe auditu, shameful to hear. Or dictu opus est, it is necessary to say. And this appears to be a use of the ablative of respect or specification, Rule 55. The u ending can be ablative, and this shows the respect with which something was done. Facile factu, easy in the doing. But some suggest that the supine in u comes from a dative of purpose, Rule 32, echoing the sense of purpose expressed by the accusative supine. But the u ending, which is seen for the fourth declension dative, was confused then with the ablative. No matter its case, this supine in u should be easy to learn and easy to do. And this is rule number 75. The supine is used in the ablative case with a few adjectives and nouns as an ablative of respect.